What's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video we are going to be reviewing this camping chair. So it comes in a nice pouch. I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get it. Alright, so let's get opening and see what you guys can get. It's a nice black and orange. This is really cool. So hopefully the camera can pick it up. I'm going to try and get it to zoom in better. Do you see that metallic? Look how cool that is. So these are the legs. That is really, really cool. I love that color. Go ahead and set this up. Well, honestly, I actually like it. It leans back a little bit, and you might think it would fall, but you know, as long as you're not like kicking far back, it's really nice. It's comfortable too. I don't know how comfortable it would be after a couple hours, but for right now, it's definitely comfortable. It's extremely lightweight as well. To be honest with you, I can't imagine it's more than like 3 to 5 pounds. So if you're wondering how it sets up, the long part goes towards the back. So you're going to have the long here, you're going to have the net in the back here, and then the solid is going to be just like this. So let's go ahead, turn the camera so you can get a better look. So it's going to sit like that. And for the bottom, if you're putting the bottom one last, you use the little loops here to pull it. It's going to be tight, it's going to be hard to pull it. Let's go ahead and show you how it comes apart, which is very simple. Like that, pull that off, pull that off. Again, to put it on, you loop your finger around the loop here. So right here, if you guys can see that loop, and you just simply go like this and pull it. It's a little hard doing it in air, but like that. Take the other side, do the same thing, put your finger through, just like that. So pop it off if you're ready to go. Now you have your piece here. Simply pull everything out. Start with the top. Pull everything into the center. So like this, you're just simply grabbing all of the legs into the center. Keep your strap open and away. Now, if I wasn't recording trying to show you this, I could do it a lot quicker, but it should only take you like 30 seconds or so. Actually, you want to keep your strap on the bottom there so you can wrap it back around. But once you get used to it, it won't be an issue. So, there you go. Place it back in the bag. Fold this up. Just like that. So, convenience is extremely convenient. I'm actually going to take this when I go to car shows. Sorry if I'm squinting. That sun is brutal. So yeah, when I go in car shows, and instead of lugging a chair around, which I'll show you guys, I normally have to lug this around when I go places. This heavy metal chair versus this lightweight thing. I mean, this is like 5 pounds, or it feels like 5 pounds, and this is bulky. It's huge. And it's a pain. So you know what? And so we're getting rid of this. We don't need that no more. And now we're getting this. Lightweight, easy to store, easy to set up, easy to put back in its bag. I think I'm gonna give this a 7.9 out of 10. And that is just because I'm being cautious. I'd like to give it a 9 or a 10 out of 10, but we need to fully test it out a couple months and see. But if I would be bold, it would be a 5-star out of 5-star, which would be a 10 out of 10. But to be conservative, we're giving a 7.9 out of 10. We'll update it in a couple months, let you know if it's still working just as good. So thank you guys for watching. Links in the video description if you are interested.